everyone! Welcome back to AI Talk English.
Yes, guys, welcome back. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Today, we will learn how to introduce yourself like a pro.
This topic is very useful for school, job, and daily life.
By the way, I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex.
So, let's start learning step by step. The first step of a good introduction is starting with a polite and friendly greeting.
Yes, I think greeting is very important to create a good first impression.
You can use simple greetings like hello, hi, or good morning, depending on the situation.
For example, I can say hello when I meet someone for the first time.
Yes, that sounds polite and simple at the same time.
Can I also say good evening in the evening time?
Yes, using time-based greetings makes your English sound more natural.
Should I also smile when I greet someone?
Yes, smiling makes your greeting more warm and friendly.
I think it also helps me feel more confident while speaking.
Always try to speak clearly and not too fast during greeting.
Yes, speaking slowly helps the other person understand better.
Practice greeting in front of a mirror daily.
That sounds like a good idea for improvement.
A strong greeting is the first step to a great introduction. After greeting, you should clearly tell your name so people can know you.
Sometimes I speak fast and people cannot catch my name properly.
In that case, try to slow down and speak your name clearly and confidently.
I can say, "Hi, my name is Alex Khan," in a clear voice.
Yes, that sounds very professional and easy to understand.
Can I say, "I'm Alex," instead of my full name?
Yes, in casual situations, you can use short forms like I'm Alex.
What about formal situations like interviews?
In formal situations, always use your full name clearly.
Hi, my name is Alex Khan, and I am happy to meet you.
That sounds polite and confident.
I feel this step is easy to practice.
Yes, repeat your name clearly again and again for practice.
I will practice it daily now.
This will improve your confidence quickly. Now you can talk about where you are from to give more information about yourself.
I can say, I am from Delhi, India, in a simple way.
Yes, that gives a clear idea about your location.
Should I always include both city and country?
Yes, it makes your introduction more complete and clear.
What if I am talking online with someone?
Even online, mentioning your city makes your introduction more personal.
I think it helps people connect better.
Yes, it builds a small connection in conversation.
Can I say only my country if I want?
Yes, you can keep it simple if needed.
I am from India.
That is also correct and clear.
This is very easy to remember.
Yes, simple sentences are always best.
After that, you should talk about what you do in your daily life.
Like my studies or job?
Yes, you can talk about your study or profession.
I am a college student and I am learning commerce subjects.
That sounds clear and informative.
What if someone is working?
They can say their job role in a simple way.
I work as a teacher in a school.
That sounds professional and simple.
Should we add more details about our work?
Keep it short but meaningful.
I understand this clearly now.
Practice this line again and again.
Yes, I will practice it daily.
This will make you fluent faster.
Now you can talk about your skills to show your abilities.
Skills help us in interviews and real-life situations.
Yes, skills make your introduction stronger and more impressive.
I have basic computer skills and I am learning English speaking.
That sounds honest and confident.
Can I mention beginner skills also?
Yes, you can mention beginner skills if you are learning.
Should I speak confidently about my skills?
Yes, confidence is very important while speaking.
I feel more confident now.
Keep practicing your skills line.
I will do that every day.
That will improve your speaking.
I am enjoying this learning.
That is great to hear. Now let's talk about hobbies and interests.
Hobbies make our introduction more interesting.
Yes, they show your personality and what you enjoy.
I like playing games and watching videos.
That sounds friendly and simple.
Can I add more hobbies?
Yes, but keep it short and clear.
I enjoy reading books and listening to music.
That sounds very nice.
I think hobbies make conversation fun.
Yes, people connect easily through hobbies.
I will always add hobbies now.
That is a good habit.
I am learning something new today.
Keep going like this. Now you can talk about your goals and future plans.
Goals show what we want in life.
Yes, it shows your direction and motivation.
I want to improve my English speaking skills.
That sounds clear and meaningful.
I want to get a good job in the future.
That is a strong goal.
Should goals be long or short?
Keep them short and simple.
I feel this is easy to add.
Yes, practice it daily.
I will do that.
You are improving fast.
I feel confident now.
That is great progress. Now let's combine everything into one full introduction.
Yes, Emma, I am ready to try. Hello, my name is Alex Khan, and I am from Delhi, India. I am a college student, and I am studying commerce. I have basic computer skills, and I am improving my English speaking. In my free time, I enjoy reading books and playing games. My goal is to improve my communication skills and get a good job.
That was a complete and professional introduction.
Thank you, Emma. I feel very confident now.
You did a great job.
I learned a lot today.
Practice this daily.
Yes, I will practice it.
That will help you improve faster.
I am ready to improve.
Now it's your turn to practice this introduction in your daily life.
You can practice in front of a mirror for better confidence.
Try to speak slowly and clearly every time.
Do not be afraid of making mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Practice every day for a few minutes.
You will see improvement very soon.
Yes, consistency is very important.
Keep learning and keep growing.
This was a great session today.
We hope you learned something useful.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Share this video with your friends.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.